Now guys, today I'll show you how to use callouts in Obsidian, so don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So open Obsidian and head over to your newly created node, and for callouts you can just choose to start with this type of callout. So add brackets and explanation point and how to callout. So let's try it here. Let's go to info and let's add that and taking the title of the callout. Here is my callout, for example. We can also try to choose all of these also other callouts. You can call out an image here, just like this. You add an image, and here you can add your image place in your desktop. So you get the idea, guys. You can also try to add files callout. Here it is, guys. Files callout here and video file here. This is pretty much it, guys. If you found this video helpful, just don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment.